Yeah, we got approached by Flexfuel, obviously a hydrogen carbon engine cleaning machine. They came in, did a demonstration for us, which was actually done on my own van. Done a lot of work on the van, changed the turbo, EGR, clutch, flywheel, cam belt kit, water pump. The van ran beautifully. They ran a demonstration on my van. Took the van out for a drive afterwards. I could immediately feel the effects. The van ran smoother, quieter, more responsive, just like a different van. There's lots of benefits, obviously. I mean, it's good for the environment. We've proven on various vehicles that we've done that have been horrendous MOT emissions failures that the cars run cleaner, so they're better for the environment after the process has been done. The customer's going to get better returns of miles per gallon on the vehicle, and obviously it's a revenue stream. You know, we can put it on as an additional service that is good for the business. So we're averaging around one a day. Some days we'll do 3 or 4. Some days we may do none. You know, but we're talking to customers about it all the time. We're getting regular, strong feedback from the customers that, you know, the process is good. And we've obviously got the confidence to be promoting it and selling it. You know, we're happy with it. And one of the other factors which I was very interested in was the fact that it's got the EGR pilot on, so we can connect it in. You know, subject to accessibility, we can connect it directly to the EGR on the vehicle. It just goes into the air intake, feeds the hydrogen into the engine through the intake. It's very quick and easy to set up. Once the process has been started, you know, the engineer can then go and carry on and do other jobs. So it's not a labour-intensive process by any shadow of the imagination.
I drive an Audi A4 S-Line and it's done 130,000 miles. I noticed that the car was a bit sluggish, and I was offered the treatment, and immediately afterwards I noticed that it was far more responsive and quieter. The turbo noise reduced considerably, and there was a great improvement in fuel consumption.